Is that your natural hair color? Really, I wish. Hi, I'm Pat and welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I'm going to do something I've never done before. I'm going to bleach my hair. I know you're thinking, wait, we've seen you bleach your hair before, but on this video, I'm going to try out a new product, which is Creme Bleach instead of powder bleach. So this is the Bright White Cream Lightener by Ion Color Brilliance. I picked that up at Sally, and it says it's going to do 8 levels of lift, and it's a cream instead of a powder. So I'm going to bleach my hair using a cream and see how this works versus the powder that I'm used to. So I usually use the powder lightener with the cream developer, so this is a cream lightener with cream developer. So I've heard that this gets a much more even coverage, so I'm going to go ahead and try that, and you can follow along with me and see how it turns out. Alright, so I'm going to test out the Ion Brilliance Cream Lightener, so keep watching and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and the little bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video, and don't forget to wash your hands. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to need is some gloves. I want to take my sweater off so I don't get any bleach on it. What is happening? Alright, and I have a handy dandy towel in case I spill anything. So on the back here it says, depending on the desired degree of lightening and consistency, mix with a ratio of 1 to 1 or 1 to 2 with 10, 20, 30, or 40 volume developer. Leave no longer than 50 minutes. The development time depends on the condition of the hair and the desired lightening result. Okay. That was clear as mud. Alright, so I'm going to mix this up just 1 to 1 like I normally would. Oh, it's thick. Okay, so I've got the cream lightener. I've got my 20 volume developer. Since my hair is already blonde and my roots are also blonde, I'm just going to use a 20 volume developer. That should lift my hair light enough. I'm just going to mix that 1 to 1. You don't want it too thin that it's running down your neck, but you don't want it too thick either. Okay, so I've got the bleach all mixed up, and I'm just going to apply it right onto my hair. And I'm just going to put it onto my dry, unwashed hair because the natural oils will protect my scalp. So that's why I didn't wash my hair right before I bleached it. Woo! Well, it's definitely bleach. It smells just like bleach. So the instructions say to leave it on for the amount of time you want it to lighten. So I'm just going to wait 15 minutes and then I'll check and then we'll see how blonde it is and go from there. No. It says the development time depends on the condition of the hair and the desired lightening result. Okay, so I'm going to wait about 15 minutes and then I'll take a strand test and see how blonde it is, and then if I need to leave it longer I will. If not, I'll wash it out. Alright, so I'll be right back after 15 minutes and my hair... Okay, I've got a funny story. The other day I was at the grocery store and the person behind me in line was a guy probably in his early 20s, and he said, excuse me, and I turned around and I said, yeah. And he said, is that your natural hair color? I said, no. I mean, my hair color is naturally blonde, but then I bleached the snot right out of it, so it's white as snow. But he said, well, I was looking at your eyebrows and I couldn't tell if maybe you were naturally that blonde. I had some roots grown out though, not as much as when I started this video, but enough to tell that my hair was dyed. Anyways, I thought that was kind of funny. Like, have you never seen somebody who had dyed blonde hair before? Anyways, I mean, like, my arm hair is really blonde too. I'm very blonde, but I thought it was kind of funny that he actually took the time to ask me if my hair was actually that blonde. Like, no, my hair is definitely not this blonde naturally. I wish. Anyways, I thought it was kind of funny, so I thought I'd share that with you. Okay, so a few more minutes. Okay, so as you can see, my hair has lightened significantly, so I'm going to go wash it out and then I'll be right back. Okay, so you can see my hair is washed out now. It is a bright yellow blonde color, and that's what normally happens when I bleach my hair. So often I can use a purple shampoo and that'll counteract the evil yellow color, but I'm actually going to use a toner today. I've got my favorite toner, which is called Snow Cap, and then I've got another one that's called Ultra Blue, and this is actually just in the line of white toners, but in the color wheel, blue is across from yellow, so if I put a little bit of blue in, it'll help counteract the yellow and make it really white. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to start with the Snow Cap, mix that up, add a little bit of the blue, and tone my hair with that. And I use about half a tube for my length of hair. And then, like I said, I'm just going to put a little bit of this blue, ultra blue, and that will counteract the yellow a little bit. Okay, so you can see I just put like one squirt of blue around there, and then I'm just going to put a little bit of developer in here as well. Mix that up. Okay, so I want my roots to be the most touched up, so I'm just going to put it on my roots first. On the sides and back. Okay, so I just really focused on getting the roots with the toner because they're the pieces that are the most yellow, and with what's left over, I'm just gonna add it on top. Okay, so now I'm gonna wait about 5 minutes and I'm going to keep an eye on the color of it, and then I'm gonna wash it out and I'll be back to show you the final result. Okay, so my hair is toned and it is nice and white. That got rid of the yellow. As you can see, that's how I like it. And so the next thing I do is I just style it using the Got To Be glued spiking glue. A little bit of that. And just mess it up a little bit. All right, and there we go. Okay, so that is my hair bleaching all complete using the Cream Lightener by Ion Color Brilliance, the bright white cream lightener, and the Ion Brilliance toners as well. Thanks so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and the little bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. And leave me a comment down below, and leave me a comment down below, and leave me a comment down below. Okay, so that is my hair all bleached, all toned, all complete, nice and white, just how I like it. And I really like this Ion Color Brilliance Bright White Cream Lightener. Let me know in a comment down below if you've ever used a cream lightener instead of a powder lightener when you've bleached your hair before. Oh, and don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram. The links are down below. I love to chat with you guys on Twitter and Instagram. And if you're looking for any holiday shopping ideas, make sure you check out my Amazon affiliate shop. The link is in the description. Alright, thanks for watching this video, and I will see you for another one next time. Bye! Bye! The evil yellow color